I miss my school bus and chit chat with friends during traveling hours.
I miss my classroom, a place where we all friends have fun and learn a lot.
I miss my school canteen where we all friends eat together and have lots of fun.
I miss my library, a place where we read a lot of books and gain knowledge.
I miss my short breaks, the time where we friends had fun and shared our lunch and breakfast.
I miss my school assembly plaza where we used to have assemblies. Every week we used to perform and see other classes performing.
I miss my teachers, their touch, their affection, and their lots of love for us.
I miss Redwoods, a place where we run, jump, and have lots of sport activities.